Functions. Functions. Function is a block of code that can only run when it's called. Functions can break your program to small parts to do a specific job of the program. It also makes your life easier to do not use a block of code multiple times. To define a function, just type the keyword def, your function name, parenthesis, colon, then your block of codes. Let's see how. Alright, now I will show you how to use functions. Make sure to know functions really well. It's really important and makes your life easier with code. And you really need to know functions if you wanna learn Python. So go to brackets. To define a function, type def keyword and then your function name, parenthesis, colon. Then your block of code such as print a string hello. This is code from the function. Also, indentation is super important in Python. Make sure of that. So if you take the indentation out, you will be out of the function and you will be in your main program. In the main program, I will type print string of this is code from our main program \n to show you it's from the main program. So to call the function from your main program, easily type the function name and its parentheses. If there's arguments, you need to type them also. I will show you what's arguments in the next lectures. After that, try that on terminal. Beautiful. As you can see, your function works well in the main program. That's all for now. You need to practice functions in your own computer. Thank you very much.